all the communities were very happy for me to go. And they all invited me. When we arrived there, when we were going to visit one community, say we were going to visit the Kuki community or the Meitei community, we were told before we entered that, listen, we are very happy for you to come. But if in your security there is a person from the other community, we will shoot him. So we had to, before we entered the area, we had to say, okay, we are going into Kuki area. Meiteis, please leave. And then when we were going into Meitei area, we had to say, okay, we are going into Kuki area. Meitei, please leave. Now, I have never seen this. Where the government of India has absolutely no control, where the government of India cannot send its own paramilitary force, personnel into an area. So what has happened is that the politics of hatred that the BJP has been playing with has basically destroyed the state of Manipur. Manipur, you said the state of Manipur, and I was thinking, well, actually, no. The idea of Manipur does not exist anymore. It has to be brought back to life. And the culprit is the politics of the BJP. Right? So, that's an extreme example of what happens when you make people fight with each other. And we went, and we spoke to some of the administration people, and they said, look, we have no control. We simply cannot control it. I've never seen this in my whole life in India. I mean, you can expect this, in Rwanda, maybe where there's a civil war. You don't expect it in India. And so this is the danger of what the BJP is doing. The danger is that this will spread.